Hi guys! Welcome to my channel, Your Home Properties Within Your Reach. Again, this is Kay, your Bulacan Realtor and everywhere. So, andito po ako for my clients looking for options for ready for occupancy here in Bulacan. I have Tierra San Jose for you guys. So, ayan. Magkakaroon tayo ng tour dun lang sa isang unit nila kasi yung ibang mga unit nakalock siya. So, hindi pa natin siya pwede i-view. Wala po kasi talagang ano dito. So, hindi kayo pwedeng mag-walk-in dito. Kailangan may kasama kayong mga agent or salesperson. So, call me kung gusto nyo pong mag-tripping dito para po ma-assist ko kayo. Ma-check natin yung mga bahay. Pero, watch for my video, yung mga later part ng video ko para makita nyo yung sample unit model natin dito sa Tierra San Jose na ready for occupancy. So, if you have cash on hand na gusto mong makalipat na agad sa bahay mo, pwedeng dito sa Tierra San Jose. So, samahan niyo ako guys. Hi guys! So, we are here at Tierra San Jose. So, ipapakita ko sa inyo ang ating model unit na with balcony. Yung 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath with balcony. So, this is the vicinity of Tierra San Jose, no? So, ang papasukin natin muna ngayon is yung Trinidad model natin. Na, syempre, meron siyang 72 square meters lot area and floor area of at least 79.91 square meters. So, this is your car garage, no? Mahaba siya, kasya ang SUV, ang van. So, spacious. And this will be your service area. Yan po yung hangganan ng iyong lot. So, ayan, service area mo yan. Na pwede mong extend yung kitchen mo. Kung ayaw mo yung kitchen mo nasa talagang loob na loob ng bahay, pwede mong extend yan. So, yan. So, this is your dining area, itong side na to, yan ang dining area mo. Complete finish upon turnover, may tiles ka na, service area na lang pagagawa mo. Tapos, ayan. Ayan yung living area mo, dyan yung side mo, may painted walls ka na dyan. Tapos, ito yung kitchen mo. Yan, kitchen, yan, pwede mong gawing pantry yan. Tapos, may naka-turnover na sa'yo na countertop. And, syempre, yung first toilet and bath mo dito. Ayan, may fixtures na rin siya, may tiles na siya, complete na siya. So, lilipat ka na lang talaga. Then, yung stairs mo, meron na siyang wooden and paints na pwede mo na talaga siya lipat. Hindi mo na papagawa yung stairs mo. So, we have 3 bedrooms. This is our first bedroom. Kasyang-kasya ang single bed. We also have a window, sliding window, no? Diyan sa ating first bedroom. So, yan, kasyang-kasya. May tiles na siya, tapos nakaabang na yung sa aircon mo. Then, guys, ito ang ating second bedroom. Ayan, kasya ang double, single bed. Ayan, double or single bed. We have 2 bedrooms here. 2 bedrooms. 2 sliding window. Tapos, ayan yung view mo sa kapitbahay and your service area down. And, ito yung view mo sa iyong carport. So, buksan natin yung bintana para ma-check natin yung magiging view mo kapag dito naka-room yung kiddo. Ayan. So, ayan ang service area and carport mo. Ayan. Carport mo. Ayan ang iyong balcony. So, yan. Then, punta tayo sa ating second toilet and bath. So, ito po yung second toilet and bath natin. Complete finish na siya. May tiles na and fixtures. And syempre, ang ating master's bedroom. Ayan. So, this is our master's bedroom. Kasya po dito, double bed. Pwede rin naman queen size. Kayo nang bahala mag-design kung paano nyo lalagay yung cabinet nyo, yung mga ganyan. So, yan. Diskarte nyo na lang paano ang design ng inyong cabinet. So, yan po ang inyong master's bedroom. Yan. Tapos, syempre, meron kayo itong parang corner glass para makita kayo yung neighborhood and yung balcony. So, hindi na tayo lalabas sa balcony. Yan. So, ayan yung, may access door ka dyan. Papunta sa balcony, yan. Yung access door mo. So, if you're interested, guys, no, this is our total contract price. And syempre, down payment natin na 20% na payable for 3 months. And syempre, after nun, estimated bank financing natin for 20 years. Ayan. So, if you're interested, guys, don't forget to message me on the number that you see on the screen. And guys, ito pa yung isa nating model unit na wala namang balcony pero hindi na natin siya papasukin, guys, kasi same lang din naman siya ng Trinidad Lina, wala lang siyang balcony. So, 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath din siya without balcony. May 1 carport tsaka 1 service area din siya. So, usual ang kanyang ito subject to changes to, guys, ha, pero estimated ang total contract price niya is nasa 4 point, ayan, so, ilagay ko na lang sa screen, ayan, so, total contract price natin, ayan, and syempre, ang 20%, ang down payment natin, 20% din po, payable for 3 months, or if you have money, no, pwede mo na siyang bayaran ng buo. Then, for bank financing, yan po yung inyong estimated na bank financing. So, yan, guys, so if you're interested, don't forget to message me, don't hesitate. Let's schedule a tripping, and please like, follow, and subscribe. And again, guys, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Wishing you a prosperous year and hope that we can work together in looking for your real estate property, whether it's your first home or your first investment for like rental, ganon, guys. So, see you!